Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another video. Today I have got Logitech G413 mechanical gaming keyboard. G413 mechanical gaming keyboard delivers unrivaled performance as well as advanced technologies and features, featuring Romer G switches used by esport professionals worldwide. G413 provides unparalleled speed, responsiveness and durability. The lightweight, high-strength 5052 aluminum alloy top case adds rigidity and a premium look while achieving the slim blade-like form factor. What's inside the box? You get a gaming keyboard, gaming keycap puller, user documents. Let me show that. We have the box here. On the left top we have G413 carbon written, bottom we have Logitech G. On the right top we have the Romer G. Romer G, I'm gonna talk about it in this video later, so just keep watching the video. On the bottom we again have the G413 carbon written, again with Romer G logo and what's inside the box information. On the other side of the box we have a Romer G logo along with some other information, and let me show you the MRP. The MRP in Indian market is 7,495 and it is available in market for just 5,500 rupees, which is approx $85. As soon as you'll open the box, a smile will appear at your face. This looks very premium and trust me, it looks great. We also get a small box inside a box which contains few things with like the keycap puller and some gaming keycaps. The cable is braided. You get two USB, one for the USB pass-through and one for the keyboard. Sadly, this keyboard doesn't give you a num-lock indicator. You get a G logo over here on the right top corner. It doesn't glow, but it looks great and beautiful. Let me type something and show you how it sounds. It sounds amazing. Let me just type and show you the sound of this keyboard. Logitech G413 offers a perfect balance of simplicity and capability. It offers quieter, faster and more durable Romer G mechanical switch. It offers balanced, simple and feature-rich performance design. The integrated separate USB pass-through port. It provides integrated separate USB pass-through ports. And it has aircraft-grade aluminum alloy top case. The Romer G mechanical switch is purpose-built for pro-grade performance, responsiveness and durability. The short throw actuation at 1.5 mm is up to 25% faster. A perfect blend of speed, precision and quiet performance. Romer G is the stealth assassin of mechanical gaming keyboard switches. Romer G is also purpose designed for precise and clean lighting through the keycaps. So the key are always visible and never distracting, especially during late night gaming session. The brushed 5052 aluminum magnesium alloy top case serves as the keyboard's backbone. The result is the minimal design balance with a full set of features, with a focus on high-end finish and performance. G413 mechanical keyboard is crafted from the highest grade material. USB pass-through. Convenience and speed are directly within reach. The additional dedicated USB cable connects the USB pass-through port to its own input for full power through output and data speed. I usually use the USB pass-through to charge my phone. Sadly, you do not get a dedicated media key. The media key are inbuilt on the F keys, so you press the Fn key and the buttons on the top. Should you buy the Logitech G413? If you are willing to spend approx 5000 rupees, this is the model I would really recommend. The Romer G switches, the attractive robust design, the USB pass-through and a decent software makes the G413 a terrific all-round package. The Romer G keys are good for typing, and I use this keyboard to reply all YouTube messages every night after reaching my home. G413 is not a RGB keyboard, the backlit color is red. You can also control the keyboard illumination up to 5 level of brightness using this keyboard, so the Logitech software isn't strictly necessary. However, with the help of Logitech software, you can reprogram the top row and function key button, control the intensity and the pattern of lighting, and link up profiles with individual games. Beneath the keyboard we have 5 rubber padding, also we get space for headphone cable management. So that's the keyboard, and it's a very good keyboard, comes with 2-year Indian warranty, so it's a decent. If you're planning to buy this, go ahead and purchase it. I think everything is good about this keyboard except one, that it doesn't have a numlock indication, so if in case numlock is off or on, you'll not able to really know about it. And this USB is not 3.0, it is 2.0, but does they work pretty well. It can read your thumb drives, it can charge your phone, so you do get this stains over here, so this is good. Pretty durable, so I can't even bend this thing, so yeah. And it supports almost all Windows, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7, so pretty much every window it will support. The height of this keyboard is 132 mm and the width is 445 mm, and the height, which is the depth, is about 34 mm. The weight is approx 1.2 kilogram, so not that heavy, but really gives you a pleasure while typing on this keyboard. Talking about the length of this cable, this is 1.8 meter braided cable, a solid quality cable, and you get this 2 USB port, as I've already mentioned, one for the USB pass-through port and one for the keyboard itself. So yeah, 1.8 meter of cable, braided, high quality. Using FN key and F7 you can decrease the lighting illumination up to 5 steps, which is also a good, so you are not really limited with the software changes, so you can do it manually. If in case you feel the lighting is too much on your dark room, you can decrease it or maybe you can increase it. So that's about the video. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment box. I would love to answer them, and don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.